Hi, my name is Michelle Tavener, and I'm going to teach a game today that you could use to help students practice adding and subtracting as well. First off, with this game, the students need to already know or have learned how to add and subtract and become familiar with how to do that. This game is really good to use at the end of the day when you have about 30 minutes left. It's also good if the children are kind of wiggly and just need to kind of get outside and get some energy out. So what you can do is you can go outside and wait. Or you can, depending on the students' levels, you can have less squares or more squares. But I just did squares from 0 to 11. And it's obviously going to be bigger, a lot bigger. And then you're going to want a bouncy ball. And so you'll have students standing on different sides, probably just on the long side this way and then this way. And you'll have them pass a ball back and forth to one another. So say the first student hits a 5 and then it bounces to another student. The student will go 5 plus 2, and then they'll bounce the 2, the ball on the 2, and then the other student will hit the number 7, because 5 plus 2 is 7. Sorry, it might be backwards for you guys. And keep having them do different addition problems. If they don't see the number it could equal to, say they did like 11 plus 2, they could just say 11 plus 2, and then the person could say 13. Another way you can use this is subtraction. So you could have them go 10 minus 5 is 5, or just have them play around that way. So that's a really good activity that can get a lot of students involved and help them to practice their addition and subtraction. As the students get a little older or farther along, you could do it even with multiplication and division, depending on how high in numbers you want to go to. It might get a little more complicated, but it's a very good kinesthetic activity, and it's really good if you can do it more in small groups instead of a whole class. So if you have a few different boards that are drawn out on the sidewalk, that way more students can play. But anyway, thanks for listening.